Adult Solutions. Add-on desires.
Welcome to Adult Solutions Current Affairs program. This is Koteshwar. First I am going to discuss the international issues as part of today's current affairs. South Korea launches first domestic space rocket but mission fails. South Korea's first domestically developed space rocket Nuri failed to put its dummy payload orbit after its maiden launch on Thursday. Nuri was launched from the Naro Space Center in Gohang County at 5 p.m. local time. 104 killed as rains lash Nepal, trigger floods and landslides. At least 104 people lost their lives in the recent incidents of flood, landslides and inundation that hit different parts of the country. Following incessant rains over the past 3 days, Health Ministry officials said. Truth Social, Donald Trump to launch his own social media network. Former US President Donald Trump announced his own social media platform on Wednesday. Truth Social will be created through a new company formed by a merger of the Trump Media and Technology Group TMTG and a special acquisition company SPAC. Pakistan in FATF grey list till the Paris-based Bureau of Economic Action, which is sadly called as FATF, keeps a list of countries that provide financial supports to the terrorists and keeps a watchful eye on them. FATF President Marcus Player recently announced at the plenary that Pakistan should remain on the grey list. Prime Minister Modi to attend COP26 summit in Glasgow. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi is scheduled to attend the United Nations Climate Change Summit, which is also called as COP26 in Glasgow on October 31st. Pakistan's Foreign Minister and ISI Chief negotiating with the Taliban. Pakistani Foreign Minister Shah Mohammad Qureshi and ISI Chief Lieutenant General Fayaz Ahmad held talks with the Taliban and agreed to provide a relief fund of 500 crore rupees to Afghanistan. National, India hits 100 crore COVID vaccine milestone. India crossed a major milestone on Thursday when the number of coronavirus disease vaccine doses crossed the 100 crore, that is equal to 1 billion mark. The reign, which began on January 16, crossed the 100 crore milestone on the 279th day. So far, about 70% have completed 1 dose and remaining 30% have completed 2 doses, authorities said. Government's Diwali gift to central employees. The Union Cabinet is likely to approve 3% dearness allowance DA and dearness relief DR hike for central government employees and pensioners today. The 3% increase is in addition to the existing rate of 28% of basic pay or pension. About 47.14 lakh central government workers and 68.62 lakh retirees would profit from the measure. It would cost the government 9,488.7 crore rupees every year. GAIL to build India's largest green hydrogen plant. State-owned Gas Authority of India Limited, which is also called GAIL, will build India's largest green hydrogen making plant as it looks to supplement its natural gas business with carbon-free fuel. GAIL chairman and MD Manoj Jain announced that it will produce 4.5 tons of hydrogen per day with an electrolyzer capacity of 10 megawatts. Electrolyzer is used to produce the hydrogen from the water. Indian Air Force Mirage 2000 crashes in Madhya Pradesh. A Mirage 2000 fighter jet of the Indian Air Force crashed on Thursday morning near Madhya Pradesh state's Bind district. The fighter jet, which took off from the Maharajapura Air Base in Gwalior as part of daily training, crashed shortly after. The pilot parachuting during the incident safely on the ground. PM Modi holds Chintan Sivir with Council of Ministers. The Modi-led Chintan Sivir program was held on Thursday. This meeting was the third Chintan Sivir organized to help minister better understand issues of governance and government schemes. Restrictions on international flights will continue. Civil Aviation Secretary Rajiv Bansal said there was no possibility of lifting the existing restrictions on international flights in the wake of COVID-19. Death toll in rail battered Uttarakhand rises to 65. 5 tourists have died in Kapkot in Uttarakhand's Kumaon. Officials said Thursday as the death toll in the state battered by the recent rains rose to 65. The confirmation about the death of tourists stranded near Kapkot's Sundar Dunga Glacier in Bageshwar district. Gauri Lankesh murder. Supreme Court sets aside High Court's order. The Supreme Court on Thursday ruled that the accused in the activist Gauri Lankesh's murder case will face charges under the Karnataka Control of Organized Crime Act, which is also called as KCOCA. Lankesh was shot dead at her Bangalore residence in 2007. 7 mega textile parks under PM Mitra scheme. The central has announced the modalities for 7 mega textile parks to be set up in the name of the PM Mitra in the country at a cost of 4,445 crore rupees. The Union Home Ministry has said it will provide 30% of the project cost under the capital support, including a maximum of 500 crore rupees for the greenfield project and a maximum of 200 crore rupees for the brownfield projects. The target is 75% success, CBI. The Supreme Court found that the success rate in cases handled by the Central Bureau of Investigation, that is also called CBI, was perceived to be low. The agency informed it that it had reached a rate of conviction of around 65 to 75% and would attempt to increase it to 75% by August 2022. Inquiry into HCA affairs, Supreme Court. The Supreme Court on Thursday said the affairs of the faction-ridden Hyderabad Cricket Association, which is also called HCA, led by former Indian captain Mohammad Azharuddin, require a CBI inquiry, but observed that it would be appointed a retired Supreme Court judge as administrator to conduct a thorough inquiry into its sorry state of affairs. Andhra Pradesh, Mukunda Reddy as president of AP Poultry Federation. Mukunda Reddy was unanimously elected president of the Andhra Pradesh Poultry Federation. Every school should have a playground. The Andhra Pradesh government has decided that every government school should have a playground, otherwise it should be purchased if necessary. Guidelines for the care of orphaned children. The government of Andhra Pradesh has issued new guidelines on the system of orphans care with a family environment. Intel Data Lab at VIT Andhra Pradesh. Leading electronic chip maker Intel has announced that it will launch one of the 7 data-centric labs to be launched across the country at VIT in Andhra Pradesh. Telangana objected to the Krishna Board guidelines. The Telangana government has objected to the guidelines drawn up by the Krishna River Management Board regarding the acquisition and management of the Srisailam and Nagarjuna Sagar projects against the Bachawat Tribunal. The Telangana government also wrote a letter to board chairman MP Singh asking him to amend them. Occupied forest lands 7.37 lakh acres. Focusing on the problem of Podu lands in Telangana, the Forest Department has made estimates on the extent to which forest lands have been encroached upon. A total of 7.37 lakh acres of forest land has been encroached across the Telangana state. New law on cyber security coming soon. KTR, State IT and Industries Minister KTR said the new law would be the first of its kind in the country to to provide security to curb the cybercrime. He said the draft was formulated already in 2016 and the act would be drafted at Nalsar University. Sports, Bangladesh and Scotland to Super 12. Bangladesh and Scotland advanced to the Super 12 in the T20 World Cup. Scotland beat Oman and Bangladesh beat Papua New Guinea in T20 matches yesterday. 2 medals for UVIC. At the All India International Shooting Championship, Telangana's UVIC skeet competed with 2 medals. Won a silver medal in the junior division and a bronze medal in the senior division. Sindhu in the quarters. Indian star shuttler Sindhu advanced to the quarterfinals of the Danish Open Super 1000 badminton. In the women's singles free quarters on Thursday, Sindhu advanced to the quarterfinals with a win over Busanan of Thailand. These are the today's current affairs. Keep watching Adore Solutions Current Affairs program to get the regular updates on current affairs. Thank you.
Adore Solutions. Add-on Desires.